How to fix Android screen keeps dimming. So if you want to fix the Android screen keeps dimming, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open your settings, now scroll down and go for the display and brightness. And under your brightness, if you have turned on the adaptive brightness, then it's the automatic brightness, which will automatically dim your phone or which will automatically increase the brightness when in need. So you need to simply turn off the adaptive brightness. So you can see that once I turn on the adaptive brightness, it will automatically set the brightness. So here I have set to the lowest, right? So if you turn on the adaptive brightness, it will automatically turn on the brightness. So toggle that off, and that's it. That's how you can fix the Android screen keeps dimming. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.